Breaking news coming in. West Bengal governor in its report to the Home Ministry has claimed that there was a lack of adequate security to the BJP chief JP Nadda and other BJP leaders. The security protocol not followed despite prior intimation of JP Nadda's visit. This is the breaking news coming in at the moment. Kamaljeet Sandhu will be bringing us more details on this report sent by the West Bengal governor. And in the report to the Home Ministry, it has claimed that there was a lack of security, adequate security to BJP chief JP Nadda and other BJP leaders. Remember, there's a huge showdown in Bengal after JP Nadda's convoy was attacked, and now sources reveal that West Bengal governor has sent out this particular report to the Home Ministry. Kamaljeet Sandhu bringing us all the very latest details. Kamaljeet, the allegation is security protocol was not followed despite the prior intimation of JP Nadda's visit to West Bengal. How is the Home Ministry reacting to this particular report that has been submitted to the West Bengal governor, and that is what sources are indicating to us at the moment?
Well, the governor has sent a preliminary report to the Ministry of Home Affairs. Remember, both the Home Minister and the governor both reacting on Twitter, saying they're expressing displeasure over law and order situation. Jagdeep Dhankar, and as a matter of fact, the governor of West Bengal, went on to say the situation of law and order is alarming, and there is a political stance taken by the West Bengal DG as well as the Chief Secretary as usual. That is a remark which is not going to go down well. Remember, there was a meeting of the West Bengal Chief Minister with the governor where he said and alleged that there was no discussion on the attack on JP Nadda and Kailash Vijaywargiya's convoy. At least 8 people were injured. Now remember, it's the government of West Bengal who's saying this is a Nautanki, this is a staged sort of a stone pelting which took place. But clearly here, battle lines seem to be drawn. But the governor sending a scathing report. We've been told that he's pointed at laxity, saying there was prior information which was given and shared with the West Bengal police. However, they were lax. On the other hand, if you see, Mamata Banerjee government has said that this convoy had protection of CRPF and the BSF, and how could this particular attack take place? So there are two sides of the story, each claiming to its own, but definitely Ministry of Home Affairs taking a stern view regarding this, and we've seen the politics boil down ahead of the 2021 Assembly election in West Bengal, and we've seen the sort of violence which has taken place over the past few months only going to intensify. But since the top leadership of the BJP are involved, clearly the report is only going to go under the scanner of MHA, and they've already taken a stern view regarding this.
All right, Kamalji, thanks for the breaking news that is coming in at the moment. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.